After working in the fitness industry for over 20 years, building a 6-figure online fitness business, people always come to me wanting to build an online fitness business, but they think they can't because they don't have a big audience. And I want you to know that you can. I have tons of students who've been able to build a full-time income fast with a very small audience. Not only that though, we know some people.
We actually know a lot of people, both me and Brandon, that have a big following. They're actually legit, like semi-famous, but aren't really making money off it because they don't know the business side of it.
Yeah, it's like some people just focus on views and subscribers and likes. You know, listen, last I checked, you can't pay your rent with likes and subscribers, right? And it's also the kind of the subscribers, the quality of the followers. I know some people with a very small audience, but it's been curated. It's a quality audience who actually want help. If you're doing like a prank channel or doing jokes, if you try to offer them like some sort of fitness product, they're not gonna buy it because it's a big audience, but it's not the right audience for your business. One of the main things you need to do is focus on attracting the right people. It's like the girl posts a bunch of pics of her buttocks, right? Just buttocks pictures. You know, be all guys, right? Who don't want to buy her program, right? You know, so you want to focus on the right kind of people, not just any follower. That is key. Here's the thing, you don't even need to sell a lot of products. One of the first things I teach my students is that to make a full-time income, all they need is 25 clients who pay them $80 a week, maybe for like online training, which is very reasonable, right? Very reasonable. 25 clients paying them $80 a week for 52 weeks. That's over $100,000 a year. And it's pretty easy to sell 25 personal training packages. It's not hard. In fact, I will teach you that for free in our free Facebook group, Elite Fitness Entrepreneurs. Bella, what's the name of that?
Exactly. It's called Elite Fitness Entrepreneurs.
Yeah, this is a Facebook group that we put together to really help people who love fitness, you know, personal trainers, or even if you're just someone who wants to make this a career, to really help you out and give you the knowledge, the information, and the tools to really make that happen and make a career out of it. Click the link in the description now to join the group. It's 100% for free.